In this session, I'm going to show you how you can create a React application. So first of all, where you want to create a React application, let's say suppose in the desktop, I'm going to create a new folder. I'll name it as all React applications. So this is the folder locations in which I want to create all the React applications. So this is the folder right now. So just open this folder, okay, copy its location and open this location with a command prompt. So this is the command prompt which it is going to open up like this, okay. And if already if you have installed create react app in your system, then you can directly say like this npx, okay, create hyphen react hyphen app, and you have to give an app name for that. So I'm going to name it as ecoders. So ecoders is the name of the application which I want to create. So let me just hit enter, and it is going to start creating my react application for me. Okay, it is going to connect to internet and it is going to download all one is the react library which you are seeing it here installing, and then react dom, and also react scripts and create react app template. So these are all the libraries which it is going to install in our system. So once when it is installed, all the libraries from React, it's going to give you this message saying that you have to go inside the ecoders folder, your app folder, just by typing cd ecoders. So let us come here and type cd ecoders. So you will be inside your application folder right now, which you have created. Now, in order to start this application, it is saying you just have to use this command npm start over here. So let me type npm start, hit enter, and within few time it is going to start your default browser with the react application. So this is the window, it has started, okay, and you are going to see this logo like this. So this is how it is going to start your react application. So okay, then what we need to do is we need to just write, or we need to just use any one of the editors in which we can start writing our react application code. So this is that folder right now. So let me open that particular folder. Let me increase the size a bit so that you can see properly. So it has these node modules, public folder, src, in which you will find all your components, and these are all the other packages which is required for our application. So now what we are going to do is we are going to copy this location, and we are going to open a Visual Studio Code, that is the editor which I am using right now for this particular application. And you have to go to file, open folder, and put the path over here at the top, hit enter, and you have to click on select folder. Okay, so this is going to open up your folder structure like this. So let's go inside the src folder and let's open up app.js file. Okay, so this is the main file in which right now we can see this whole part of the coding. This is logo, this it says here edit src app.js and save to reload and learn react. Okay, so this is the code which is written exactly over here. See, this is the edit, save to reload, and this is the logo which is rotating on the web page. So what I'm going to do is, see, from the header to header tag, I'm going just going to remove everything, and simply here I'll put one h1 tag like this, and I will say react tutorials hyphen ecoders. Okay, let's save it. Let's go to the browser and see. As you can see, we have just changed the header of this application just by changing one line of code inside our app.js file inside this division which is called as app, class name equal to app. Okay, let's add some bootstrap and all those things later on. Okay, but this is how you will be starting your application, and all the things which you are going to do will be inside this file which is called as app.js file. Okay, and if I go to this public folder, you will see your index.html file. So this is the main file of the application which is running your app, because this is the division. Okay, id equal to root is the division which is getting shown to us on our app.js file, okay, from the backend. So let us get rid of this import statement as well, and we'll keep just the app.css file. Okay, and app.css file is just next to this app.js file. See, there is an inbuilt css coding written for this particular thing. Okay, let me just select everything, and let me just keep this one text hyphen center, and let me just remove off all the other part of the code. So let me just delete it. Let's save it, and let's go to app.js, and this file also let me save it. Okay, and let me go to the browser and show you. See, now right now the text is in the center of the page because inside our app.css here they have kept the text hyphen aligner property to center. So let me just get rid of this also. Let's save it, and let's go to app.js, and this is the code right now. And let's show the browser, and as you can see, now the text is on the left hand side of the screen. So this is how we can apply the css directly from app.css file itself if you want. Okay, so this is how the project structure and everything is going to get set up before creating any kind of code inside our React applications.